Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to know how to reset oil or maintenance required, what you want to do, just start my car and then I'll let it load up, and it shows right there maintenance required. And when you do this, it's still there. When you scroll through it, push this one, it says maintenance required. So what you want to do is go in here. So what you want to do is press on this settings button right here, right in there. Then what you want to do is scroll down to vehicle customize. Then what you do is utility, and then it says oil maintenance. Either schedule, I do oil maintenance. So oil maintenance, would you like to reset your oil maintenance data? You said reset, and it says it's reset. So right here it says reset complete. Escape. It says oil maintenance reset, and then it says it's complete. Then you still have the oil light. If it's still on, what you want to do is schedule maintenance. Would you like to reset your maintenance data? Reset, and it said schedule maintenance reset. So you have to do oil maintenance reset and schedule maintenance reset, or you can probably do just schedule maintenance reset. And now the light went off. It's not there anymore. No messages. So yeah, try maybe oil first. If it doesn't work, try scheduled maintenance reset. That should work. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.